In front of me is a QILIVE 5039D, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to your device. So to get started, you want to open up your Contacts app, which is the one right here. Tap on it, and from here tap on the three bars and go into Settings. And at the bottom you should see Import and Export. So we're interested in importing contacts, and once you tap on it, it will give you a couple options. So you can import it either from the VCF file or SIM card. Now we're gonna do SIM card, so tap on it, and immediately you will see all the contacts on your SIM card. So those are all of them, and they are already automatically all selected. So if you don't want to copy all of them, you will have to deselect some of them and keep the ones that you want to move selected, and then tap on the blue check mark right there, and that's about it. Your contacts have been imported, and as you can see, I had 2, and now contact list has, well, only 2 contacts right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.